तुम्हारा ही बंदा
फोटो तो होने दो यस पहले कम इधर ये लो क्या
हाँ 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 आ जाइए नहीं
बीच में
इधर ले ले अरे भाई तू
इधर इधर इधर
निया मैम लुक हियर
आईफोन आईफोन
कैमरे में
निया मैम लुक हियर
फूंक ले
क्या बात है, एक नंबर आपस
वंस मोर
मैडम आसिफ भाई बोलो ना
रोल
नया जी वंस मोर
नया जी प्लीज वंस मोर
क्या
फॉर पब्लिक डिमांड यही चलेगा
या लुक हियर
थोड़ी कम फ्लैश मारो
ओ आईफोन
लुक हियर
ठीक ना भाई
ओके बाइट्स
क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज आप you're spotting you on a Tapri is so interesting. What do you have to say?
So I'm liking the whole vibe around the song Phukle and obviously it's a trippy number. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रही हूँ just because मैंने ये song किया है इसलिए मैं इसकी तारीफ कर रही हूँ वो है ही नहीं. जब first time मैंने ये song सुना था मैं इतना हंसी थी पहले तो because इसके lyrics थोड़ा सा because funny लगे. But once I realized that it's a full on item number and I'm doing this so I that I just did the hook step for you. Yeah. So it is that trippy and I think once ये song जब out होगा तो I think everybody should be and will be doing the hook step and I just wish it happens Gana is releasing on 10th and after Do Ghoot and it's the same team Saregama team so because they love me so much and I love them so much is my again immediately after Phukle it's now immediately after Do Ghoot it is Phukle time and I don't know मेरी शुरुआत मतलब होर पिला then दो घूंट and then फूकले I don't know next song का मेरा title क्या होगा but it's kind of funny but I think 10th let's just
Okay, so talking about the BTS movement, once you have uploaded that movement in your Instagram, so people have started, we are waiting for it, people are very excited. So what do you want to say about it?
मैंने अपनी जान दी है इस song के लिए because इतना easy नहीं है in a music video market and when we have icons like a Sunny Leone and a Nora Fatehi killing it with dances I realized that I'm just a very small fish in this तो मेरे पास कोई option नहीं था but just when this song came just to nail it with my hard work I'm not a good dancer I'm not a great dancer but all I could do for this song was just put all my effort into this and I did it मतलब I don't know मैंने rehearsals कितने घंटे किए मुझे नहीं पता था मेरी back I couldn't feel my back I couldn't feel my thighs और मुझे उस दिन समझ आया कि what it takes for dancers to dance in a song so I realized I have given it my all and I really hope this I'm rooting for this song I don't know about the audience but personally I am rooting for this one and I hope it is received well and yes you're right the BTS was very well received all my friends complimented
Okay, so talking about the look, you have came out with some amazing look. So what do you want to say about the look?
The look was again created by Saregama only and their whole thing was to look like those chamma feel and Bidi Jalaile feel that that's been done in the past so it was a very same feel and I could achieve it and I don't know I had joined a gym and worked 3 hours cycling I just wanted to look my best and man and I think I look pretty good
Okay, so talking about the last song Do Good you went inside that OTT and Big Boss OTT will you see can we see the Big Boss you promoting this song in Big Boss house
I just did I think Big Boss and I'm very thankful to the team of Big Boss. तो मेरा दो घूट मैंने OTT पे promote किया. Then I came with Rahul Vaidya to promote Garbe Ki Raat. This is the third song I'm promoting, Phukle, and I think I'm immensely happy for this.
Okay, so talking about OTT, you supported Pratik. You told Pratik you are doing really well, and he is also right now inside that house. So are you supporting Pratik or you are supporting someone else?
I am supporting everybody because उनके लिए तो वो OTT से जर्नी शुरू हो गई है. सो इट्स लाइक फॉर शमिता, निशांत, प्रतीक, एवरीबडी इट्स लाइक अ बोर्डिंग स्कूल यार. मतलब वो कब से लगे पड़े हैं. सो आई थिंक वन ऑफ देम शुड विन एंड it's really a hard
Okay, guys, done.
Okay, so ma'am, do you believe
मेरे लिए.
ma'am, do you believe the senior coming inside the house have bring TRP down of Big Boss?
No, nothing. नहीं.
How am I supposed to answer that?
Please.
Location, Baroda. We went to Vadodara, Baroda. Yeah, we went there. तो वहाँ पर एक पूरा एक सेटअप हुकले जैसे एक पूरी क्या बोलते हैं उसको, पूरा एक ढाबा सेटअप था. या सो ऑन दैट ढाबा आई शॉट. मैंने पानी की टंकी के ऊपर चढ़ के शूट किया है, मैंने टायर के ऊपर शूट किया है. आई डोंट नो मैंने क्या किया है, बट आई हैव टू वॉच द सॉन्ग माई सेल्फ टू वॉच इट एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीबडी टू वॉच इट बिकॉज इट्स गोना बी अ वेरी ट्रिपी सॉन्ग.
Okay, ma'am. So Pushpa and 83 movies are out. So have you saw?
Yes, I have seen. मैंने उसका वो देखा है डांस and also I think वो item song is that part ना अंटवा that's a very trippy number मुझे नहीं पता. So I like that and I Rashmika Mandana is amazing and I think she's been talked about really well. So yeah, हाँ जी. That's what मैं वही बोल रही हूँ. वो trippy, वो word बहुत trippy है. मुझे नहीं पता अंटवा का मतलब क्या होता है, but it's been on my mouth. I don't know. I've been singing it forever now.
And what about Allu
Guys,
Arjun?
done.
Allu Arjun is super.
Guys, अभी वाला भी
Have की चाय तो पी.
please shake.
हाँ जी, thank you.
Please shake it because please. हो गया.
The chai is really good.
Ma'am, what do you want to say to your fans?
इनका क्वेश्चन है मैम.
So if I say mask लगा लो, सबसे पहले मेरे ऊपर ही आके पड़ेगा. मैंने तो नहीं लगा रखा. Nobody understands. So I just want
Guys, done.
to please take care of yourselves because this time is very crucial and I think we can just take care of
Guys,
ourselves
done.
first. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.